How to unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram. Want to clean up your Instagram and unfollow people who aren't following you back? In this video, I'll show you how to quickly unfollow them in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. To manually check who's not following you back, simply open your Instagram app, go to your profile, and simply tap on the following list. Tap on a certain someone's person and go to their following list. Now, if you can find yourself on that following list, that means that they have followed you. But if they haven't followed you, then you can't be shown in the following list. So, what you need to do is, if you find you're not being followed, all you need to do is simply tap on the following tab and simply unfollow it. You can simply repeat this process for all the person or a different person and just repeat the same process. And that's it. That's how you can simply unfollow people who don't follow you back on Instagram.